Hello, I'm Larry Eby, Director of Admissions at Goldey-Beacom College, and I'd like to welcome you to our first ever video open house.
Hi, I'm Colleen Keith, and I'm the president here at Goldey-Beacom. And I am first so sorry that you're not able to come and be with us in person for an open house or a campus visit at this time, but I do want to take a minute to tell you why I think you ought to consider Goldey-Beacom for your college career. I have a son, and luckily he's grown and out of college now, but he started college not at Goldey-Beacom, and in his senior year he came home for a couple of days, and I knew that graduation was on May 10th. So I said to him, "What happens on May 11th?" And he kind of looked at me and he said, "Well, what do you mean?" I said, "Well, what happens on May 11th?" It annoyed me that no one at his college intervened to help him understand what to do on May 11th. At Goldey-Beacom, that's not going to happen. You're going to come here, and because of our size, we're small, and because of our faculty who care and our staff who are intrusive, you're going to have an idea about what your career path is and how you're going to access that career path, so that when you're going through your program, you're always being focused on your career, and you're going to have an understanding of what happens next on that day after graduation. Our Career Services Office will hunt you down to ask you if you've developed a resume, if you're going to our career fairs, if you're looking at internships. Our student affairs staff are going to intervene, our faculty and our academic support staff are going to intervene. So you're not going to go through here academically adrift. You're going to be focused on what it is that your career can hold and be for you. So that's the value added, and that's the return on your investment with Goldey-Beacom. And I hope that when you can come visit, you will go visit. In the meantime, check us out online, apply, and let us start interacting with you. But thank you for considering Goldey-Beacom College.
Hello, and welcome to Goldey-Beacom College. I'm here to show you our residence halls. So come with me. As you'll see, up here is our brand new hall. We're under construction right now, but it'll be ready for the fall. This is Fronta. It will be a 5-story building with dormitory-style rooms, single or double options. So you'll have either a single, your own room, or double with one other roommate. We will also have on the first floor, there will be a community kitchen, the chapel, and our security office. On every floor, there will be student lounges and common areas. So areas for students to come together, hang out, meet. All students will be able to come and hang out in this new building. And then we have Miller and Jackson over here. These are two of our upperclassmen dorm buildings. They have about 5 or 6 students in each apartment style room with 2 full bathrooms as well as a kitchen. And now we're in front of Leach. As you can see, it's right next to Fronta over there, and then over there is Able, our other residence hall. Leach will be the other option as a freshman student. The difference between Fronta and Leach, with Leach you could have up to 5 other roommates in an apartment style residence hall. Today we're going to go show you a room in Leach Hall, so follow me. All of our campus is very secure. We have security on duty 24/7. Anyone trying to get into one of the residence halls must use their GBC Lightning card. So let me show you.
Hi, I'm Val, and I'm going to show you a room here in Leach Hall. So this is one of the rooms here in Leach Hall. So you can see all the furniture is already provided by the college. Your refrigerator and microwave and stove are also provided. Utensils are not. Follow me. Whoa, strike! Trying to give a tour. As you can see, this is one of the rooms here in Leach Hall. You have 3 beds. Every student will have a dresser and a desk. Come follow me into the bathroom. Strike, what the heck? Well, this is a restroom shared by 3 students, the ones who share this bedroom. Now I'm going to take you over to go see Austin in the Fulmer Center.
Hi there, I'm Austin Galley. I'm a admissions rep here at Goldey-Beacom College. I'm here to show you the Fulmer Center today. I'll be showing the advisement office, law business office, classroom, and the other facilities we have. In this office here, you have the financial aid advisement office, as well as register. So in here is where you get your classes scheduled, your transcripts updated, or ask any kind of questions you might have involving your academics. In the office here, you have your business office. This is where you make any kind of payments or business plans along the way to kind of get everything settled. They're the money people around here. We're going to show you a classroom. This is the standard classroom where you'll take most of your classes. It can hold up to 45 students, but normal classroom size is about 20-to-1 ratio, meaning that 20 kids to 1 teacher. All the classes are in this building. Now I'm going to turn it over to Joey, and he's going to show you the Jones Center.
As you can see, we're out in front of the Jones Center here. I'm going to kind of give you a lay of the land sort of approach and show you all the cool sort of things that we got going on with this building. Come on. We're going into the Student Affairs office. This is where students come if they want to have their Lightning ID card, if they have any housing issues and stuff like that. Also, as coordinator of student activities, stuff like that. The Dean of Students is down that hall. So this is a good operation if you need anything student related. Now let's go over and see the construction area and library. So, as you can see, we got people going in and out. A little peek at the construction of things that are forthcoming for the 2020 year. And right here we got the library. So you can kind of get a sort of visual in there. So here in the library, you can see all the necessary library functions, computers, study areas, the check-in, more books than you know what to do with. It's kind of just up to you on how you want to use this time. There's more alleys back there. Also, the student ARC, where you can go for tutoring and making up tests, quiz, stuff like that. That's right there. So, depending on how you want to use this, I came here to do all my necessary requirements because otherwise I wouldn't have done them. Let's go. Strike. What are we doing? Come on. Kind of hard to give you guys a realistic image of what this place is going to look like in 2020 just because of all the different new and exciting features that we're going to bring. As you can get a sneak peek of our gym right here. Take a walk up this ramp, and just another reminder, these walls will not be here at the start of the fall 2020, so I don't want you to think that this is what exactly it's going to look like. It's just an idea of what we're doing right now. And as you saw with the renderings, all the continued progress that we're making in the construction area. So we do have our own fitness center here as well. Is this locked? It is. Why don't we come down here? This has actually just been renovated itself, and it went from a nice gym to a great gym. Walk right in. Strike. And as you can see, it's a great place to work out.
So for me, you get to work with the student athletes. You get to be involved in sports, you get to really make an impact with them, and you get to know them for the rest of your life and the rest of their life, which is great. The fact that you don't have to travel so far to really get a worldly experience. You learn a lot from your peers, you learn a lot from your close friends, your teammates. So that all to me embodies that college experience, that full experience, and they grow and they become the people that they're going to be as adults. So to be a part of that experience and to see them from their first day as a freshman to when they graduate and then 10 years out, that's really a special experience.
I'm Joel Warden, and I'm an English and communication professor here at Goldey-Beacom College. I've taught at the college for 14 years, and one of the things that I really enjoy about GBC is that we draw from a wide range of countries across the globe. And then also, of course, Delaware and many of the surrounding states. And what that means is that I and my colleagues have a rich diversity of student experience to draw on when it comes to working with students in the classroom. They'll have great opportunity to engage with each other, to learn from each other, to grow from each other.
Hi, I'm Beth Kirker. I work in the Career Services Office at Goldey-Beacom College. Our office assists students and alumni with their resumes, interview prep, applying for internships for credits, and preparing for the fall and spring career fairs. Our services are invaluable for students and alumni. We help you identify your transferable skills and put them on your resume. We've had students meet employers at the career fair. For example, placers. One of our soccer players met their HR representative, interviewed, and is now hired and working in their office as an intern. We've had several students work with Wisvis Bank. They met them at the career fair and information sessions. They've worked in various positions, bank tellers, wealth management, and even one in HR executive administration. We look forward to working with you to find your next full-time, part-time, or internship opportunity.
Hello everybody, my name is Eric Johnson. I'm a financial aid advisor here at Goldey-Beacom College. Today I want to talk about the financial aid process, but also the return on investment. And Goldey-Beacom, we do that for 3 ways. The first way is our affordability. We're one of the most affordable institutions in the Mid-Atlantic region. We achieve affordability through our generous scholarship packages. We have Affordability Assurance Reward, merit scholarships, and other aid available to lower your costs down. The second point I want to make is our return on investment after you graduate. A recent study by Georgetown determined that in Delaware, Goldey-Beacom was number 2 in return on investment over a lifetime. So not only are you receiving a highly affordable education, but your money is well spent after you graduate. And finally, to highlight my third point on return on investment is the community at Goldey-Beacom College. The various offices on campus, financial aid and advisement, student affairs, academic affairs, our faculty, business office, and career services, we're all here to assist you. If you have any questions, let us know. Concerned about your 10 of 8 package, FAFSA, or anything else in between? Don't worry. Our goal at Goldey-Beacom College is to help you achieve greater, both inside the classroom and outside of it.